One of the best-selling drones of the past year just received a major upgrade. This is the SkyroverX1. When it first launched, a lot of people were excited because it offered many of the flagship features found on much more expensive drones at a price that was far more accessible. But there was one thing people kept asking for: a better controller. And now, Skyrover has finally delivered. This is the new Smart Screen controller, and in my opinion, it's the controller the X1 should have launched with from day one. The first thing you'll notice is the built-in 5-inch Full HD touchscreen. With 700 nits of brightness, it's easy to see in most outdoor conditions, and because the screen is built in, you don't need to connect your phone before every flight. No cables, no notifications interrupting your flight, no worrying about draining your phone's battery. Just power on, connect, and you're ready to fly. The controller also includes up to 3 hours of battery life, built-in internal storage for screen recording, and customizable shortcut buttons that let you tailor the controls to your own flying style. It feels solid in the hands, the controls are well laid out, and overall the flying experience is much more streamlined than before. It's great to see Skyrover continuing to improve its products and listening to what pilots actually want. If you've been thinking about picking up the SkyroverX1, this new smart screen controller makes an already capable drone even better.